doing the work?
I don't know, yo. You tell me, big bro. Trying to eat some good food while I'm out here, man. What you got? What you got in mind?
All right, so you like mac and cheese?
Shit, I love mac and cheese.
So how about we do
Got a spin-off on that?
Yeah, man. You do like a pepper jack bacon joint.
Mm.
I mean, doing the shit from scratch. So.
Okay. Oh yeah, definitely.
I mean,
What's that you just? Yeah. What's that you just grabbed?
got some cheddar cheese.
Okay.
Got some pepper jack cheese. Asiago. Ricotta. Parmesan. Oh, here we go.
Okay. Boom. There you go.
Now we're gonna put all that in there.
I sound excited already, man. I ain't even gonna hold you.
Now here are the main ingredients in order to create what we're making today. You also want to grab some evaporated milk, some butter, and a little bit of salt and pepper to add some love to the flavor.
My man about to make magic right now. Magic.
You got the pasta on the elbows for the mac and cheese.
Okay.
Look at that from the show, bro.
Bacon looking real nice right here.
Right, so we're gonna make our cheese sauce.
Okay.
Put about a half a stick of butter.
Have a stick of butter with the cheese sauce.
About 3/4 cups of milk.
Okay, mix it all up.
So I get some of your cheddar cheese inside. Just gonna chalk it up. On a low fire, we're gonna start melting this cheese in.
Okay.
We're gonna add some pepper jack in right now.
Okay.
All right. And then we're gonna give a little bit of fresh red peppers. That's gonna help get that all a pop.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So that's starting to melt in. And then we're gonna get our pasta in.
Okay. Mix it all real nice.
Add a little bit more cheddar. Got our bacon, nice and crunchy.
Okay.
Pretty much cut this boy up.
Okay.
Some more bacon over here.
Cut it up. Bacon look real crispy.
Yep, nice and crispy. It's a little hard, but it's not gonna be hard by the time it cooks in.
Okay.
So we get that bad boy in there. We're gonna set it in this tray and then we're gonna put it to bake.
Okay.
Now, it's only gonna need about 22 minutes. Okay? Got your bacon in there nice, your pepper jack blends in beautifully.
Nice, nice.
All right, so we're gonna cover this down. We set it at 375. We're gonna stick this bad boy in the oven for about 20 minutes.
Nice.
All right, see you on 20. All right, so we 25 minutes in. We're gonna take this bad boy out, see what we're looking like. Baby. All right, so now we're just gonna finish it off. We got some more pepper jack and cheddar. Blend it together. We're just gonna put this in the oven.
How long we put it in the oven for?
Just a couple of minutes, let that top let it melt in a little bit.
Okay.
We'll be good to go. Okay. Woo. That's what our finished mac and cheese looks like.
Ooh.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. And just as good as it looks, it tastes amazing too. This bacon baked macaroni and cheese could definitely feed a family of 5 to 6 people, and it doesn't run your pockets no more than $17. Oh yeah, before you go, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, Chefing It Up, for our daily notifications and updates, and feel free to leave a comment for some feedback as well. Until next episode, take care. Peace.